If you want to change this vendor, and what is the functionality to change this vendor? Go to XK02 to change the vendor. Change the vendor is if the vendor number is not getting populated, then how you are going to search the vendor? You have to select the search term. Then always select the vendor by purchasing. Vendor by purchasing means you have to enter the purchasing organization over here. Just enter, search it. How many numbers of vendors you have created? All those purchasing vendors they will get populated over here. You have to select this vendor. What in which part? This is called select all option. Then this is called deselect all option. If you want to select means selective data information, it is also applicable. If you want to change something, you can change it. If you want to change something. Okay, I'm not doing any changes. So, okay, I'm going to do some changes, right? For an example, I'm just maintaining the street house number or orange or something else like. And house number, just save it. And make the changes. Okay, if you want to display the vendor, what is the T code to display the vendor? XK03. XK03 is the display the vendor. Just enter the vendor number, whatever it may be, the selected data or select all, whatever it may be, company code and purchasing organization. Only the display purpose. You are not supposed to. You are not able to do any changes in this transaction. Okay. If you want to make the display the changes, which user has been modified from this vendor, in which date, what is the field has been modified, you can go to this XK04 transaction code. You can able to check it. What changes have been done for this particular vendor? You have to enter the vendor code, company code. Okay, purchasing organization, press enter. Look this, house number and street number. Double click on house number. Okay, old value is black, nothing will be there. New value is 2200, house number. Double click on this. Which date has been changed, which time, which user, which field, and what is the from value is blank, to value. Everything you will get this information. From which date he is getting, he got means what are the data, what are the fields have been changed. Okay. This is called XK display changes for functionality, XK04. Then if you want to, suppose you got the requirement to block the vendor. To block the vendor, to unblock the vendor, what is the functionality? The functionality is XK05. XK05. So 400 you have to enter the vendor. If you want to company code, means suppose you will get the requirement, you have to block the vendor. How it is? Have enter the vendor, enter the company code, enter the purchasing organization. In T code XK05. Go get inside. You have to select the all company codes, all purchasing organization, or else you can select the block function. Different type of options are available. Or block for purchase order, block for the request for purchase order, request for goods received, block for source determination, yeah, total block. If you are going to set as a block, then when you are going to use this vendor for to create a purchase order or something else, you will get a warning message or error message. Block, the vendor has been blocked. Okay. After blocking, I'm not going to block it right now. Okay. Then after blocking, if you want to set as a flag for deletion, so go to XK06. XK06 means system will not allow to delete it permanently. You can set as a flag for deletion. You have to enter the vendor, company code, and purchasing organization. All, so if you have to select all areas, then make it a save, and it will get flag for deletion. Okay, when you are going to, when some user will going to create the purchasing transaction data with referring to this vendor, then system will give an error or warning message, this vendor has been deleted. Okay, this is the functionality. If you want to,
sorry, if there are data related to that vendor, are you able to delete the vendor?
No, you are not able to delete the vendor. You can set a flag for deletion.
Yeah, flag. But are you able to do that? Flag the deletion.
Yes. All areas or selected company codes or selected purchasing organization, whatever it may be, you can do it.
Okay. So even if there are a lot of data belongs to that company code, company belongs to that vendor, you still can do that. Yeah.
Yeah, you can do it.
Okay.
And suppose you are coming to this. Suppose user has been created a vendor. We specify the wrong account group, and user is telling to you, and boss, I have created a vendor. But unfortunately, I have selected a wrong company, wrong account group. So is it possible to change the account group? So you have to check it first. First of all, the functionality is XK07. XK07, you have to go to this vendor account group. First of all, if user has been created a vendor, that vendor is having a wrong account group, that vendor should not have any open transaction data. Open transaction data means purchase order created, goods is not created, invoice not created, or goods is created, invoice is created. That is called open transaction data. Okay, purchase order done, goods is also done, invoice also done. If after also, if you are going to change for account group, if the stock also it will be available in inventory, the stock is available with refer to this vendor, that time also system will not allow to change the account group. If these all things are not available, then easily you can change the account. Okay, so you have to enter the account vendor over here, press enter. This is the current company code and current purchasing organization and the current account group which is showing over here. Just click continue. And system will ask you for which account group you want to convert it. Just enter the account group, for which account group you want to change it. For an example, okay, for an example, I'm just changing ZAG to something some other person has been created. Or standard also we can use it, the 0001. Standard is I think external number in functionality, I think. No, internal only. Okay. Look at this 0001. Click continue. Question: the partner determination procedure will be changed from L1 to purchasing organization. Okay. Continue. Continue. What happened? 0001, something error has been showed. Hold on a second. Let me check again. Look, so many things are differences from 0001 configurations and for our configuration account group. So that is the reason we cannot make this change because the new account group result with the following fields groups are being switched off. Okay, so for that is the reason it's not allowed to change it. So you have to. I'm going to create another account group. Standard. I'm not going to use it. I'm going to use Z1. This one I'm going to use it. Let me check. Question. Okay. Oh my God. Same thing. So that is the reason. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create another account group with the specifying the same. I'm going to this configuration. I'm just creating another account group. Define account group. Okay, so just clicking wise first will be. So selective while copying this account group, I'm going to create another one. Z2MD. No, F4 RN, foreign. And select change the account group description. Save it. For an account group. Okay. So already I have copied and this account group, let me check. So number ranges has been assigned to not or not for FRN. Yes, 4 has been assigned, right? Because I have copied from the DOMG, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the account group from DOMG to FRN. It will get copied, it will get changed easily. Look this, just extending this vendor from in this company, in this account group level. Or all this data will get copied, it will get changed. Look this, after entering vendor 4100 account group DOMB replaced by F4RL. You will get the message. Changes have been made.